Section 4.1, Fundamental Counting Principle and Tree Diagrams, Video 2. We will go over the following objective: solve problems using tree diagrams. Tree diagrams. Definition. A tree diagram is a visual representation that shows different ways in which events can occur. Example 5. Reva would like to buy a new vehicle. Reva will be choosing from the following vehicle options: motorcycle, coupe, or sports car. Reva also has the following color choices: black, red, blue, or white. Create a tree diagram illustrating Reva's choices for buying a vehicle and also find the number of options Reva has. So, to create the tree diagram, you start from a point, and since Reva has 3 vehicle options, we need to create 3 branches extending from the point that go to motorcycle, coupe, or sports car. Thereafter, since Reva has 4 color choices, from each of the vehicle options, extend 4 branches that lead to the 4 color choices: black, red, blue, or white. So, we will start from a point here, and we have 3 branches extending for each of the 3 vehicle options. So we have 1 branch extending to the motorcycle, 1 branch going towards the coupe, and 1 branch going towards sports car. Thereafter, since Reva has 4 color options, we have 4 branches extending from each of the vehicle options. So from motorcycle, we have a branch going towards black, 1 going towards red, branch going towards blue, and a branch going towards white. Similarly, we have 4 branches from the coupe, 1 going towards black, 1 to red, 1 to blue, 1 to white. Last, for the sports car, there are 4 branches, 1 going to black, 1 going towards red, then to blue, and 1 to white. In total, Reva has 12 options. Option 1 is buying a motorcycle that is black. Option 2 is a motorcycle that is red. Option 3 is a motorcycle that is blue. Option 4 is a motorcycle that is white. Option 5 is a coupe that is black. Option 6 is a coupe that is red. Option 7 is a coupe that is blue. Option 8 is a coupe that is white. Option 9 is a sports car that is black. Option 10 is a sports car that is red. Option 11 is a sports car that is blue. Option 12 is a sports car that is white. In total, Reva has 12 options. Now, we could have used the fundamental counting principle, and if we were to do that, we would multiply the 3 vehicle options that Reva has times the 4 color options she has to get a total of 12 options for buying a new vehicle. Example 6. Miguel and Mariana are deciding what to do Saturday night. They would like to go out to dinner at either a Korean, Thai, or Indian restaurant. Thereafter, they would like to go to the movies or for a walk. They would like to end their evening by going to an ice cream shop, a coffee shop, or a candy shop. Create a tree diagram illustrating Miguel and Mariana's options and find how many different options they have for Saturday night. So we need to start from a point and extend branches for the 3 options for dinner. So 1 branch going toward Korean, 1 to Thai, and 1 to Indian. From each of the restaurant options, they have 2 options on what they would like to do afterwards. So from each of the restaurant options, extend 2 branches, 1 going towards the movie and the second going towards walk. After that, for each of the options for movie and for walk, we need to extend 3 branches extending to either an ice cream shop, a coffee shop, or a candy shop. So, again, we start at a point, and we have 3 branches, 1 extending to Korean restaurant, 1 to Thai, and 3rd for an Indian restaurant. from each of the restaurants, we need to create 2 branches, one going to the movies, one going to the walk. So we did that. One branch going from Korean restaurant to the movies, one branch going from Korean restaurant to the walk. For the Thai restaurant, there are 2 branches, one going to the movies, one going for a walk. For the Indian restaurant, again, 2 branches, one going to the movies, one going for a walk. Thereafter, for each of the options for movies or walk, we need 3 branches that extend, one for an ice cream shop, one for a coffee shop, and then one for a candy shop. So each of the options for movies or for a walk have 3 branches being extended for what Miguel and Mariana want to do to end their evening. So there are 18 options that Miguel and Mariana have. So I will count some of the options, but there are 18 in total. So one of the options is that they go to a Korean restaurant, then to the movies, and then out for ice cream. Another option is that they go to a Korean restaurant, then for a walk, and then out to coffee. Another option is they went to a Thai restaurant, then to the movies, and then to a candy shop. Another option would be going to a Thai restaurant, then for a walk, and then for ice cream. An option would be going to an Indian restaurant, then to the movies, and then for coffee, or going to an Indian restaurant, then for a walk, and then to a candy shop. In total, Miguel and Mariana have 18 options for Saturday night. Now, we could have used the fundamental counting principle to find the number of options they had. If we were to do that, we would multiply 3 for the 3 restaurant options times 2, the 2 options for either going to the movies or for a walk, times 3, the options for going to either an ice cream shop, coffee shop, or candy shop. Multiplying 3 times 2 times 3 gives us 18. So again, Miguel and Mariana have 18 options for Saturday night. This concludes example 6.